Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Dropbox desktop app and revoke account access, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Dropbox desktop app, first, ensure that you have saved and backed up any important files. Next, close the Dropbox application if it is currently running. On Windows, locate the taskbar in the bottom right corner of your screen. Find the Dropbox icon, right-click it, and select Quit Dropbox. For Mac users, look for the Dropbox icon in the menu bar at the top right corner of the screen. Click the icon, then select Quit Dropbox from the drop-down menu. Now, let's proceed with the uninstallation process. On Windows, click the Start menu and navigate to Settings. Select Apps to open the Apps and Features menu. Scroll through the list of installed applications until you find Dropbox. Click on Dropbox and then select Uninstall. Confirm any prompts to complete the uninstallation. For Mac users, open the Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the Dropbox application in the folder. Drag the Dropbox app to the trash or right-click and select Move to Trash. Now that Dropbox is uninstalled, let's revoke account access. Start by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Dropbox website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Navigate to the Security tab. Scroll down to find the Devices section, which lists all devices linked to your account. For each device that you want to revoke access from, click the X or Remove button next to the device name. Confirm the action if prompted. After completing these steps, your Dropbox desktop app will be uninstalled and account access will be successfully revoked. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.